Sahih Al-Bukhari 3256, narrated Abu Sa'id Al-Khudri radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi said, the people of paradise will look at the dwellers of the lofty mansions, i.e. a superior place in paradise, in the same way as one looks at a brilliant star far away in the east or in the western, the horizon. All that is because of their superiority over one another in reward. On that, the people said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are these lofty mentions for the prophets which nobody else can reach? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, no, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in whose hands my life is, these are for the men who believed in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and also believed in the apostles. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3257, narrated Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, paradise has 8 gates and one of them is called Rayyan, through which none will enter but those who observe fasting. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3258, narrated Abu Zar radiyallahu ta'ala anha. While the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was on a journey, he said regarding the performance of the Zuhr prayer, wait till it, i.e. the weather, gets cooler. He said the same again till the shade of the hillocks extended. Then he said, delay the Zuhr prayer till it gets cooler, for the severity of heat is from the increase in heat of hellfire. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3259, narrated Abu Sa'id radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, delay the Zuhr prayer till it gets cooler, for the severity of heat is from the increase in the heat of hellfire. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3260, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the hellfire complained to its Lord, saying, O my Lord, my different spots eat up each other, so that he allowed it to take 2 breaths, one in the winter and the other in summer, and this is the reason for the severe heat and bitter cold you find in weather. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.